but before COVID, were you combining the cognitive training with the neurofeedback?
I was. I've done that for years. Yeah, I've been certified for many, many years. And I did that. And it's funny you should ask that. We can see people in person now, but what I used to do with clients is I would hook them up, like say, for example, if we were working on focus, concentration, and attention, I'd do a C3, C4 placement. And then I would have them I would take a baseline, and then I would have them do a computerized cognitive program and see how that pulled them up into alpha or beta at that particular site. And so you could correlate, brainwave functioning with performance.
And what do you notice as a result of combining those two methods? What does that tell you? And then how do you use those results from that session to inform your treatment later on?
Well, it's actually a beautiful combination because patients can see, they can watch their brainwave frequencies and patterns online, and they can correlate it with what's the task they're doing, and they can see progress. Like, if you're doing language and word retrieval, you would do the left hemisphere, put electrodes there, and then you could work on specific language tasks, and then you could even work on language tasks on the computer. And they could see like, oh, if I'm doing this kind of task, this is what I'll get. And if I'm doing split words on this program, this is what I'll get. So they could really see the carryover, and it motivated them to do more work and practice the programs more consistently.
Cool. And with your clients, while you're doing these EEG and these cognitive training sessions, what happens when you notice that a client's getting fatigued?
Well, it's actually a perfect learning tool because cognitive fatigue is a huge factor for the clients that we see. And we spend a lot of time in the beginning working on executive functioning and energy allocation, like having the patient assign a certain level of energy to particular tasks, like does it take 50% of your energy to go to the grocery store or whatever. And so the beauty of having EEG and then computerized tasks together is that they can see if they're doing a certain kind of task, how long their cognitive energy will last.